In today's video, I will show you a quick and straightforward way to check whether you can connect MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5, directly to TradingView in 2025. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly where to look and whether this integration is available, saving you time and confusion later on. Let's jump right in. To get started, open TradingView in your web browser, and if this is your first time using TradingView, don't worry, it's very user friendly. TradingView is where millions of traders chart, analyze markets, and in some cases place trades directly through connected brokers. What we are checking today is whether MetaTrader 5, a popular platform for forex and CFD trading, can be directly linked so trades can be executed from within TradingView itself. So once you are on the TradingView homepage, look at the top menu bar, find and click on products. This menu acts like a toolbar showing all the major features and integrations TradingView offers. After opening the products menu, scroll all the way down, click on trading panel. The trading panel is where TradingView lists all supported brokers and platforms that can be connected directly to your account. Once you click the trading panel, a new section will appear, usually at the bottom of the screen. Give it a few seconds to load, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. You will now see a list or grid of supported brokers and platforms. Now comes the key part. Use the search bar inside the trading panel, type MetaTrader 5 or MT5. You can also scroll manually, but searching is much faster. If you see MT5 listed, that's great news. It means TradingView currently supports our direct MT5 connection. You will likely see a connect button next to it. From there, you can follow the on-screen instructions to log in and authorize the connection. You can trade your MT5 account using TradingView powerful charts and tools. If MT5 does not show up in the trading panel, that means TradingView does not support direct MT5 integration at this time in 26. This could change in the future as trading platforms evolve, but for now, MT5 and TradingView would need to be used separately. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.